So hi everyone, welcome to my Dollar Tree haul. So I thought, I'd do a Dollar Tree haul this time because there are a lot of different products at Dollar Tree, which is just $1. And there are other places that we go, like Family Dollar, um, Dollar General, or Walmart, or Target, something like that. And there are way much more. So let's get started. Okay, let's get started. So, the first thing I'm going to show you, because I know every girl has your makeup box. I have the ones in the pink, which are the collagen. I bought a pack of that. I have the sponges, of course. I'm going to be here and find it. So, yeah, I have the blue, the pink. Yeah, I have a green one as well. I think okay, yeah. I thought I bought a purple one as well. The purple ones. I don't know if you've ever tried any of the Dollar Tree sponges. I like them. They're more, they're soft, to me. But, that's me. But anyway, I buy some more sponges because, of course, even though I have a lot, cleaning them and everything, I mean, the makeup does come out, but then again, some of it really doesn't because it has a tendency to, stain the sponges and everything, things like that. So just so any, bacteria won't cure on the sponges, every so often I take and I get some more, and throw the old ones away. And I don't know if you've seen this, which is called the Pro Tools, the Jade roller. It's, you roll it for the blood circulation, then it's, the elastic underneath your eyes, on your face, your skin tone, things like that. I mean, I've had one before, which is a little bigger than this one, but this is a little more cute, a little handheld, just get the blood and everything circulating in your face, okay? And what do I have? Now, you all know I am just the LA Colors. They are always at the Dollar Tree. It depends on what Dollar Tree you go to because all of them really doesn't have the same items, but they came out with these are the LA Colors 2-piece. Wait. They have the lip glosses. See, this one here is the chic, and this one is in bombshell, which they have three colors. So, I know y'all probably saying the lip gloss really, because yes, I just did, the decluttering of my lip glosses, and here I go again. I have the A.Colors. I also got the the ColorMates. They're called ColorMates are at the Dollar Tree as well, but it's the rainbow, the lip gloss. I'm definitely going to throw this one in my purse. Anyway, but the colors are pretty. And usually they have the eyeshadow, the 4 different packs. The 2-pack eyeshadows, they have these out as well now. You see those? Those are pretty colors. Those are pretty colors. But I'm going to swatch those to let you see. And of course, I bought my, brow pencils. Brow pencils are always reasonable at Dollar Tree. And I have the, what is this? It's a Hibiscus and Pink Clay. This is the face serum. I was at another Dollar Tree, not the one around my home, because we don't have these. I got this. I'm interested to try that. It's Hibiscus and Pink Clay. I'm like, let's see how this smells. Okay. Let's see how this smells, because on the back you don't have that much instructions, but we're going to see how this smells. Does it smell like hibiscus? Because I have plants like that. It has more like a, I don't know, a candy kind of smell. A candy smell. The drops aren't that thick. They're thin. But it does. It has. It's more of a candy smell. Make you want to eat this. Okay. So I hope this was fun for you, just as it was for me. My little Dollar Tree haul. I mean, there's a lot of items you can get from Dollar Tree, but the eyeshadows, they are really pigmented. It's really pigment. Okay, it goes on smooth. So, this concludes my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you have fun just as well. And happy hauling. If you're new, thank you for watching. For those of you who are always there, mwah, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.